We ensure crocodiles are kept in optimal, stress-free conditions for high-quality skin development.
Balanced nutrition is essential to maintain healthy skin texture and strength.
Continuous cleaning ensures hygiene and premium quality conditions.
Each animal is monitored using precision technology to meet strict quality standards.
Transport is carried out carefully to preserve safety and quality.
Welcome to our advanced crocodile leather processing facility.
We use controlled processes to enhance durability and flexibility.
This stage removes impurities while preserving natural patterns.
Each skin is carefully inspected for quality, texture, and consistency.
Conditioning ensures smooth texture and long-lasting quality.
Controlled drying stabilizes the material for further processing.
Precision sorting ensures optimal use for different products.
Polishing reveals the premium texture and natural design.
Coloring is applied evenly to achieve luxury finishes.
Only flawless materials proceed to production.
Advanced cutting ensures zero waste and perfect precision.
Each piece is allocated for its specific product category. Precision stitching ensures durability and elegance.
Compact products require high precision and fine detailing.
Consistency and strength are key in strap production.
Each shoe is crafted with precision to ensure durability, comfort, and luxury finish. Boots require reinforced structure and careful shaping for long-lasting performance.
We combine flexibility and strength to produce comfortable luxury sandals.
Each panel is carefully aligned to preserve the natural pattern and elegance.
Coats require larger panels and consistent pattern flow for a premium look. Attention to detail ensures perfect fit and style.
Durability and strength are critical for travel products.
We ensure flexibility and capacity while maintaining luxury quality. Precision cutting ensures perfect compatibility with devices.
These products combine function with premium aesthetics.
Holsters require strength, precision, and safety design. Reinforcement ensures long-term durability and secure holding. Leather accents enhance both durability and luxury appeal.
Each piece is tailored to fit automotive specifications perfectly. We ensure comfort, durability, and premium finishing.
Fine detailing defines luxury automotive interiors.
Every product undergoes strict quality control before packaging.
efficient packaging ensures safe delivery to market.
Products are prepared for global distribution.
If you enjoyed what we do, please like and subscribe to One and Only Factory. Bye. See you in the next video.